Looks convincing, right? It isn't real. And I know what you're thinking. Google? OpenAI? Not this time. You're seeing the output of a sleeper in the AI race, a tool that just slipped past the big names while nobody was looking. Here's why you should care. This isn't widely free, but after days of digging, I've found a loophole that, as of now, lets you use it free and unlimited. It's not a normal setting, it's a backdoor. Follow each step exactly, and you'll unlock the whole thing. So forget buying credits. Today, I'm not just showing you a tool, I'm showing you the way in. Let's move. Before I hand over the keys, if you appreciate the deep dives it takes to find stuff like this, do a quick favor. Tap subscribe, drop a like, and hit the bell. It costs nothing, and it helps me keep making high-value breakdowns like this. The model is Cedance, and the company behind it is ByteDance, the people running TikTok. While everyone was fixated on Google's V3, ByteDance was quietly building something that actually edges it out. The motion looks natural, the realism lands, and it just feels right. Here's how to unlock it. 3 steps. Simple, but you must follow them exactly. Step 1, go dark. Open a VPN. I'm using NordVPN, link in the description. Connect to any country in Africa. I'll pick Nigeria. That's your master key. Step 2, the alias. With the VPN still on, go to Dreamina AI. Top right, click sign up. Use a Google account that has never been used on Dreamina. Close any pop-ups, ignore extra prompts, and once you land in the dashboard, look for 0 credits. Seeing 0 credits means you're on track. Now you're probably thinking, great, 0 credits, but the generator is blocked in this region. That's where step 3 comes in. Step 3, the switch. Go back to the VPN and connect to a European location. I'll use the UK. Refresh Dreamina. Now watch the platform unlocks. Pricing drops to 0 for every video you create. Welcome to unlimited power. Quick note for creators. If you want to accelerate your results, check out my ebooks, Prompted Up and Faceless with a Face. Prompted Up gives you plug-and-play prompts for avatars, ads, shorts, hooks, and visuals. Faceless with a Face shows you how to build a real income engine around this content, even if you don't show your face. Both are linked below, and they'll save you months of trial and error. Now, let's build. On the control panel, you'll see 2 video models. Pick the newest one for the best quality. Choose 5 or 10 seconds for duration, then select your aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for shorts and reels. Let's start basic with text to video. I'll type, a red fox trotting across a misty pier at dawn, cinematic light, shallow depth of field. Generate. There it is, a clean 4K clip in seconds, yours to download and use. Now, let's direct a mini film in 1 line. Wide shot of golden wheat fields at sunset. Cut to a close-up of a traveler's hand brushing the stalks. Cut to a lighthouse on stormy seas at night. Generate. Look how it handles pacing and composition. It understands cinematic without over-explaining. This isn't just a generator. It's basically a co-director.
Do even more. If you click on it, new options pop up. You can add frames to make it smoother, enhance the quality, or generate a soundtrack. Let's test that. I'm telling the AI to make some music for this clip right now. Let's see how it sounds.
With soft strings, distant piano, and subtle percussion. Done. Instant music bed. Serious note. Now for the benchmark test. Head to Google's official V3 page and grab one of their public demo prompts. Paste it into Cedance on Dreamina. First try, no tweaks. Watch the output. The clarity, the motion, the consistency, it holds its own against the big demo reels. Ready for the wild part? Talking avatars. On the right side of the generator, open the AI avatar tab. Upload any portrait. I'll use a photo of a woman under neon signage on a rainy street. Choose master mode. It's still free with this method. Type your line or upload audio.
The city hums all night.
The city hums all night. I move with it.
The city hums all night.
Generate.
I move with it.
The lip sync, the
The
micro
city
movements,
hums all
the
night.
timing. It reads as real. This is the capability that was supposed to stay behind paywalls. Now you can animate any still image, produce endless B-roll, build an ad from one sentence, or make digital characters speak your script. The rules just changed. The power isn't theirs anymore. It's yours. All links are below. Go make something that shouldn't be possible. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.